Everyone, it is your brain lady Julie here. I am here with another tip about how to deal with those challenging personalities that you encounter, whether it's during this time of year or it's just period, right? Because we all know we're going to have them. This one is one of my favorite words, or one of the favorite things that I like to tell people is always have a POA. Now, a POA means a plan of action. I talk to my business clients about having a POA in their business, whether it's a plan of action for networking or a plan of action for how they're going to write their book or whatever that may be. You need to have a plan of action for how you're going to actually interact with individuals, or what is your exit strategy when you encounter those situations. We've talked about different things to prepare your brain, how to understand the different personalities, how to not take offense when Grumpy Aunt May says something, but you can also have kind of your plan of action for getting out of that difficult situation if it becomes overwhelming for you. Because there's always going to be that personality that just grates you the wrong way, and you probably grate them just as bad, right? That's just the fact of it. So if you're in the situation where you're feeling your anxiety level raise, it's just, you can't get out of your own head, all the tips that I've given you just aren't working, then have a plan of how you can deal with that. What is your exit strategy, right? If you know you're going to Grumpy Aunt May's house, where can you go to get away for 5 minutes? Where's the safe place for you? Is it with another person, another family member, or another friend, or your spouse, your significant other, that you can give, that little signal, get me out of this situation? Okay, that's going back to the old movie Sting, in case you didn't recognize that. Anyways, have that plan of action in place. Have something that okay, wait a minute, I know Aunt May has this room. I know Uncle Joe has a great backyard, right? Or I'm going to give that signal to my significant other, or to my mom, or to my bestie, or to my sister, or whatever. And they're going to know, okay, they're going to come interrupt in the conversation and scoop you away to a peaceful corner. Have that plan ahead of time so that you're not in that situation losing control, and it doesn't wind up being some kind of aggressive confrontation between you and the other person. Okay, pretty simple. Just putting together a plan of action, figure out what that looks like for you. Where's your safe place? Outside, wherever you can go, so you can do that breathing. You can do the mindful meditation for a couple minutes, right? Figure out what your plan is. What's going to be that, I have to leave early excuse. That's real and not a lie, because we don't want no lying going on here. All right. Okay, that's your tip. Be back tomorrow for my last one. Okay, bye-bye.